Alright, today we're checking out Omniflow, an AI-powered product development tool that promises to take you from idea to launch at lightning speed. Whether you're brainstorming, writing technical documents, planning a development roadmap, or delivering a fully fledged project, Omniflow claims to handle it all with AI assistance. I've tested a lot of software that aims to streamline workflows, but Omniflow stood out because it's not just an AI writing tool. It's a complete ecosystem designed to plan, manage, and execute software development. If you've ever struggled with organizing product ideas, drafting technical specs, or keeping projects on track, this might be a game changer. But does it actually deliver? Stick around because I'll be sharing my hands-on experience. The good, the bad, and whether it's worth your time and money. Let's get started. Omniflow offers a tiered pricing model designed to cater to individuals, small teams, and large organizations. Here's a breakdown. Free plan, $0 per month. Perfect for individuals who want to test the waters. You get 3,000 credits per month. Unlimited ideas, chats, and documents. Up to 3 projects, AI-generated chats, docs, and dev plans. Basic document import, export, sharing, standard project workflow. If you're just exploring Omniflow, this is a great way to test its capabilities. Essential plan, $19.99 per month plus $4.99 per additional seat. Ideal for small teams collaborating on new products, this plan adds 20,000 credits per month. Unlimited projects. Kanban and Scrum toggle for project management, document versioning, custom project workflows, and development velocity settings. If you're working with a few teammates and need better organization, this might be the sweet spot. Performance plan, $39.99 per month plus $9.99 per additional seat. Designed for mid-sized teams looking to scale efficiently, it includes 50,000 credits per month. Custom team roles, virtual teammates, AI-driven assistance for automation, custom document templates, Jira integration. If your team is serious about product development and already using tools like Jira, this plan makes sense. Scale plan, $99.99 per month plus $14.99 per additional seat. Aimed at large organizations, you get 150,000 credits per month. Sub-teams for better department structuring, priority support, knowledge base, custom LLM, large language model for tailored AI responses, on-demand third-party integrations, project insights for high-level analytics. If you're managing a large team with complex workflows, this is the most feature-packed option. Add-on credits. If you run out of credits, you can purchase more at $10 for 10,000 credits. Omniflow isn't just another AI tool, it's an all-in-one system designed to automate product development. Let's break it down. 1. Idea brainstorming with IdeaFlow. AI-powered brainstorming assistant helps refine product ideas and generate structured concepts. Verdict: great for early-stage ideation, but free users are limited in how much they can use it. 2. AI-powered document creation with DocFlow. Automatically generates PRDs, tech designs, and marketing plans, helps streamline engineering and business planning. Verdict: a huge time saver, but template selection is limited. More pre-made templates would help beginners. 3. Development planning with DevFlow. Auto-generates development tasks and estimates resources, schedules milestones. Verdict: solid for project management, but locked behind paid tiers. 4. AI-powered project management with Project Flow. Automated risk tracking, project status insights, custom workflows. Verdict: great for larger teams, but smaller teams might not need all the extras. Omniflow has received strong user feedback, with many praising its time-saving capabilities. 1. Huge time saver Lisa, Senior Project Manager in Healthcare IT, says Omniflow allows her to complete in 2 to 3 hours what used to take a full week. Arif, CTO of Aeroster, reports saving 30 to 40% of his time on development tasks. 2. Helps non-technical founders. Betty, co-founder and CEO of Evermeal, highlights how Omniflow makes it easier for non-technical founders to manage product development. 3. A productivity boost for teams. Sarah, Senior Product Manager at Mira, says Omniflow saves her team 2 full workdays per week. Constantine, CEO of a consulting firm, praises how Omniflow simplifies writing PRDs and tech documentation. What Omniflow does: well, clean and intuitive UI, easy to navigate, strong automation tools, AI-generated docs, dev plans, and workflows, great for non-technical founders, simplifies complex tasks. Huge time saver, users report saving days of work, where Omniflow falls short. Free plan is too limited. Only 3 projects and 3,000 credits won't be enough for serious users. Limited templates. More pre-built document templates would help beginners. Full potential locked behind paid tiers. If you want unlimited projects and advanced features, you'll need to upgrade. So, is Omniflow worth it? If you're looking for an AI-powered platform to streamline product development, it's a solid choice. My final rating. Omniflow is a powerful tool with great automation features, but it still has room to grow. If they expand the free plan and template selection, this could easily be a 4.5 star or higher product. Now I want to hear from you. Does Omniflow sound like a tool you'd use? What features do you think are most valuable? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's chat. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my latest software breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.